Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
See it? Chinese shit, man. Green, my favorite color. Morning. Who you rushing? Who you rushing? Word. So I got these little. I bought this thing on Instagram. It's a snow scraper, and I bought it for my son real quick. So I'm about to give it to him. Yep. What's up? Tell him. Friends is it? Oh. Right. So that's the fun of pop it out. And then this is like. Good, right? Yeah. And then you put that piece on to make it stiff. Whenever you want to make it a funnel, you take it out, you put it in, you put your liquid in and shit. So it did pretty good. Yeah, no sideways, no, hold on the side. Yeah. And do a circle motion. Yeah. So you do that shit around the whole car, you'd be lit. I don't know exactly, you can figure it out. There probably had ice or some shit on the windows. You could probably hit it and then scratch it, I guess. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna find out though. So I was like, I gotta give it to you before you leave because it's perfect for the snow. All right, dog. All right, so I mean, obviously it's not a lot of snow, but you get the point. The good thing about it is that it won't scrape up your car. Right? That's what I realized. The good thing about this piece right here. And obviously, I checked it this morning when it was icier. So you get the point, though. What you gotta do is you really don't have to get dirty, and it doesn't scratch your car. So definitely a pretty cool investment. For $7, can't go wrong, you know. Don't scratch the car, clean it, don't really gotta touch it. You know? You look at this whole side, right? You put it on, and then boom. I ain't even touching the snow. Literally the window's done. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Right? That's a good question right here, see? Use this. I guess for the ice, for the door. And you come back down. I don't really know what this side is for. Anyways, I haven't seen anybody use it, but pretty sure it's to break up some ice. Places like this. Right around. So at least we know. You already know what time it is, y'all. It's winter time in Brooklyn. Brooklyn. All right. So it's snowing out here. No, not crazy, but it's snowing. So it's snowing, and the snow technically got to come off, right? Especially the one in the hood, 'cause it's gonna fly back when you're driving, right? So I'm gonna use that little cone to show y'all real quick. So check it out. I'm trying to tell you, I'll never really touch the snow at all. I should just do this a little while. You know, I'm going slow because obviously I'm recording, but you get the point, and show you what I'm doing.